The time of the year has come. Six Figure Stylist, what we've been working on for the last year is about to actually be put in motion. Today is prep day, which means we tear this whole salon apart and we make it an event space. So I'm so excited. The team gets here in 35 minutes. So Britt and I are gonna start this morning by prepping and getting everything ready for them. The cleaners have already come. Smells amazing in here, and it's only 2 short days until everybody arrives and they get to experience again what we've been working on for the last year. So come along with us as you do every single year. Let's get this party started. Let's go! Let's go! I want this center here to kind of be like a focal point of like kind of edgier Six Figure Stylisty vibe. So like if this area right here can be like the vibe, and then kind of around we can sprinkle, you know, however. Okay guys, I'm so excited. The entire team is here, all setting up. Literally, it's like they just know what to do. I mean, well, one, we organized it super well. Britt did an amazing job making sure, thank you, that was all organized, but everybody's just like doing their roles, doing their thing, slashing and dashing. It's 9:15 and I feel like we got like a bunch of stuff done. So we're gonna keep that momentum throughout the day so we don't have to be here until midnight. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go. Okay, bye.
Oh, get that slut push it, girl. I just want you guys to look cute.
We are setting up the custom jean jacket and hat bar, which we are so excited for. We've done jean jackets in the past, but the hats are new. So it's been kind of a fun new addition to our little custom adventure.
What's going on?
Okay, hi everybody. Oh my God, it's feeling so good. Everybody's just like getting done what they need to get done. So we're super happy. Stage is going up. That's always like a big monumental like moment. The chairs are getting organized. Jacket lab's going, merch is going. Literally, I don't even know. I just feel like I'm just living life. So we're gonna keep rocking and rolling. I'm so excited, let's go! For our Six Figure Stylist prep day, everybody absolutely killed this day per usual, just slashing, dashing. We had Mark, we had Jenna,
Hey.
Ryan on the floor, and we had this amazing team out here just doing absolutely the best job. So they're ready for you guys. Let's get ready for our next day.
Hands in, let's go. Come on, hands in. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, F7!
The self-tanner.
Well, I had to put it on fresh today, so it's nice and bronze for the ladies, and we're already
Oh
dripping it
my
out.
goodness.
Hi everybody, welcome to Six Figure Stylist dress rehearsal day. We are currently with myself, the beautiful Hannah, and Britt behind the camera. We are picking up all of the groceries that we need. We have a lot of things catered, but things like water bottles and, you know, all the little extras, we're picking that up this morning. Check out the self-tanner drops, you know, put on a fresh bronze for you all this morning, and it's just falling right off, but we're good. Gonna wear this hat for the next day as well because the hair's not clean. So you guys saw this beautiful hat yesterday. Shoes, compliments of the fiance, appreciate it. Cargos, we got these from Black Birch Boutique. And a little Target on the top. We got a Limitless tee over here. Everybody's staring at us. Okay, bye. Eat granola.
Don't buy too much food.
Don't buy too much granola. I know. Honestly, I got that from my grandma Betty. Shout out to you, RIP. Seriously though, she literally would just feed me. This is the reason I was overweight as a child. Is because my grandma would just feed me. It's like immediately after you ate like 6 courses already, you had dessert. It's like, why, grandma? Why do we need to? But you know what? It's okay because I am giving that love to these ladies and gents. Shout out to Grandma Betty. We need some color because you know what? We are hair colorists, most of us, and we need a little red, a little orange, and a little yellow. What cancels out yellow, everybody? I'm just kidding. What's color theory? We're gonna make flavored lemonades. So we're gonna have a little. Everything's a bar. We got a hat bar. We got a jacket bar. We got a pickle bar. We got a lemonade bar. We got a popsicle bar. Everything's a bar. So I think we should do. Yeah, peach would be good.
Peach and lemonade?
Peach lemonade.
Oh.
Okay, and I definitely think strawberry, but maybe not the sugar-free. No offense.
Nope, love our sugar.
Sugar-free stuff is just kind of gross. Okay, so peach, strawberry, and because strawberry is red, maybe raspberry.
Yep.
Too many options.
There's just one girl that's allergic to raspberries.
Yeah, raspberry's good.
Oh,
We just have to label it.
she would never.
Grab it.
I hope she wouldn't grab this raspberry.
I was like, we'll just label it.
Okay, guys, we're checking out. I'm so excited. We got 3 carts for 3 days. Love the organization. We love that, and hopefully it'll be easy breezy unloading it when we get back to the salon because it's all organized. We have to make one more pit stop to get some black straws and some salad tongs. Other than that, I know it's just so random, but I mean otherwise we got everything here. That was pretty impressive. So let's do this thing. We are also guessing how much it was going to cost, so let's see who wins.
Yes.
What did I say? 518?
Okay,
520 or something?
450.
519,
Oh, 19.
495.
I don't think
Brit loses.
this is videotaping.
Okay, with this and then take it off.
Oh, 650.
Nice job, nice job.
Oh, okay, Jamie. Dang. Okay. Okay. Diet Coke. We love some Diet Coke. Okay, Jess, it's the water bottles, the drinking waters. Cutest coat ever. I wonder where you got that from. Cute coach. That's so cute.
Vlog update?
Vlog update.
Yay! Okay, guys, we are back at the salon. The whole team is here now, and we are setting up breakfast for tomorrow, getting everything all ready, organize the entire break room. So each day has a system. We have our beautiful menus up here, ready to rock and roll, and then we're gonna get right into dress rehearsals. So
Peace out.
yeah, when people arrive, temperature. It looks like it's actually not gonna be that hot tomorrow morning, which will be perfect. So that'll be great. But yeah, make sure to direct people out of standing in the middle of this driving spot right here. So pull everybody in this way. We're gonna try to hang out underneath our overhang here. Check-in this year, obviously different in the sense that we have it's by last name. So if you guys are kind of helping and directing, we have little signs that say if you're from here to here, check in with Jess, here to here, check in with Heidi. Okay, question?
Check-in sign.
We're gonna get on today. I am behind you, baby. Woo! Everybody's so excited. Are you excited for 6 Feet of Style 2024? Woo! We are efficient with our timing today. Finished a few minutes earlier than expected. Today was, as you guys kind of saw, was our rehearsal. So we like to do this in a separate day. We run through every single thing that we're going to be doing during the classes, where everybody needs to be, when and how, so that we can have a really, really seamless event. This will be our 4th one, and everybody has seriously been amazing over the years, making sure everything goes off just so perfectly. And so I just know that I can be so confident that everything is gonna go smoothly with this team behind me. So thank you guys so much for all of your hard work, dedication, and being so amazing. And thank you guys for watching our day 2. See ya. Bye.